Instrument settings main interface UI switch. Short press OK to confirm, long press OK to modify. If you want to adjust the night brightness during the daytime, the lights need to be turned on. Language switch, short press OK to select the desired language. To change the car model color, first confirm the desired color, then switch the page to preview the effect. Vehicle information. The vehicle model, engine, transmission, etc. can be modified. Vehicle settings. You can modify the attention assist system, tire speed, etc. Unit settings. The units of tire pressure, speed, distance, etc. can be modified. Maintenance settings, filters, spark plugs, power steering fluid, etc. can be reset. Indicator light display.